You may know the Asus Zenfone series for the compact flagship phones, but it wasn't always like that. In fact, the first compact flagship phone under the Zenfone series was launched just a couple of years ago, called the Zenfone 8. The specifications of that phone were not bad since it had a Snapdragon 888 SoC, a 120Hz Super AMOLED display, stereo speakers, and even a headphone jack. But the main issue with the Zenfone 8 was the design, because even though it was a flagship phone, the design was pretty plain, which made it look like some budget phone. Asus did fix this with the Zenfone 9 last year because the Zenfone 9 had a beautiful design, which included two large circular camera modules and a few new color options. Now Asus is all set to launch the Zenfone 10. The launch is scheduled on the 29th of this month, and the company has already shared some features of the phone, but Asus has not yet revealed the full design. Today, however, Evan Blass shared the official renders of the Zenfone 10 in all the color options. So in this video, let us talk about the design of the Zenfone 10. As you can see, the Zenfone 10 is hardly any different from the Zenfone 9 in terms of the design. And that is not a bad thing in any way because Zenfone 9 already had a perfect design, so it does not make much sense to change the design in the next generation. But yeah, it is possible that the materials used on the Zenfone 10 are different because Zenfone 9, as we know, had a plastic back. The aluminum sides of the Zenfone 10 are still flat. There is a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, and on the front, the phone has a flat display with a hole punch cutout in the top left corner. Also, not to forget, the phone does have those two large circular camera modules on the back. The text on the back is lesser this time, and Asus has also put its new logo on the back. Also, even though 4 out of the 5 color options are the same as last year, the color options are a bit more vibrant and punchy this time as compared to the Zenfone 9. And last but not least, the Zenfone 10 is also expected to retain the 3.5mm headphone jack, and so it will continue being one of the only few flagship Android phones with a headphone jack. And since Zenfone 9 was IP68 certified, we are also expecting the same to be the case with the Zenfone 10. Finally, speaking of the specifications, all that Asus has revealed so far include a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, a 5.9-inch display, and wireless charging, which the Zenfone 9 did not have. The Zenfone 10 is also getting the 6-axis hybrid gimbal stabilization 2.0. So, what do you think of the Asus Zenfone 10? Let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.